two good ones there.
How's everybody doing?
Thanks for watching. We haven't had a video in a while. Got my buddy here, Keith. We're excited to be back at Mohave. So we spent $5 a gallon on gas to come down here and catch a 5-pound bass, hopefully.
Yeah.
So
Let's see if we can do it.
hey, let's see how the volume is here. When you check it, 1 2 1 2. How do you check it? You never watched?
I'm in the right place, dude, because this is bouncing all over the bottom. So that's good.
What are you throwing?
The Cloud 9.
Oh, is it like a
Medium, probably 9 to 12.
C what? What bait is that? C what?
C9.
No.
I think I got the 9 to 12.
That's what I'm throwing. What's this called, Keith?
Huh?
What's this called? Movement?
Yeah, it's a movement. I think it's a 70.
Movement 70, I think.
Movement 80.
Like a bluegill color. Got my new Hero 10. Checking it out. We got some bushes right here. We're 6-7 feet of water. It's pretty shallow out here, but I don't know if we need to be back in the coves or the fish are going to be out here. We're just trying something out here. Oh,
Job, dude.
got a good one, two good ones there. Oh, yeah. Oh, first fish of the day, baby. Get up here. Oh, son, it's a good one. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
It's a nice one, dude. It's a nice fish, dude. Hey, man. It's a fish, dude. It's all that matters.
I gotta retie. You wanna come up here and work the trolling motor? You can learn how. Ain't no time like the present.
Nice, dude. Nice. I might
A little bit better. A little bit better. Oh, a little bit better.
No, that's better, dude.
Yeah. Doesn't break me off, you know. Might be the same dang fish. So here's the easy. It's really easy to tie the Palomar.
I understand it till I gotta go back through.
Go this.
Yeah.
And you go back through that. Okay. So basically you got this. That's what you got. Like this. Swing the bait back through. And then pull it like this. And then wet it. Make sure the knot's straight. And then all you gotta do is take this part. This is easy, the tag end. It goes down through the front. Okay? Through the top. Just like this. Because you want this, when it's here, it's gonna make it stand up.
It's gonna be like this.
It's supposed to, but yeah, it will.
Okay.
So then all we have to do, these are easy to hook up. Some of them stay on, some of them don't. I'll give you the same size. This goes through the little hole. With my old eyes. And then you just pull it up.
Oh, okay.
That's it.
Okay.
Oh man, he wanted it, dude. He wanted this thing, man. He wanted it, dude. He's gonna bite. Now there's two of them there. Oh no, that's a shadow. I know, I see him. Got him! Got him! Oh, son! Freaking idiot. Let me know when that gets here. Can't watch. Let me know when that weight gets here. I don't know. He's kind of protecting this bed up here. Smallmouth. He's on this bait. He wants it right there. He wants it bad. His bed's right over there. You got a different color?
Interesting.
Huh?
What?
You got a different color on, right?
Yeah.
You gotta throw over here, dude. He is wanting to eat.
Largie, dude. No.
Yeah?
That's a largie.
Yeah, that's a largie. Don't reel it up so high. I told you. Yeah, that's bigger than anything I've caught.
Finally, dude.
Yeah. Nice. Smile for the camera.
How y'all doing? I finally got one. It's only taking all day.
Good job.
Thanks, dude.
Well, we gotta get a picture for your Instagram, huh?
Yeah, buddy.
Your buddies will never live it down. Go.
All smallies today, dude.
No, you caught a largemouth, buddy.
Huh?
You caught a largemouth. Oh, me.
Yeah, you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's record. Yep, he's a Stegosaurus, little guy.
It's okay.
It's okay.
It's just therapy, dude. We're good.
Got me a good one, sir. Good one.
Good, dude.
I mean, a big one. Get the net, sir. I mean, there's a big one. A giant one, dude. I mean, freaking giant, sir. Please get the net. Oh, Sonny Jim, please. Oh, Sonny Jim, please get the net.
No. Okay.
Oh my gosh, dude. It's a giant, dude. I mean, a freaking giant, dude. I'm sorry. Oh gosh, look at it. Dude, it's giant. Giant, please don't jump. Please don't jump. Oh my gosh, dude.
Hold on.
Oh, please get it, Keith. Please. Oh, please get it. Oh, dude, it is a giant, man.
You want here, dude?
Yeah. Oh, dude, don't spook it. Don't spook it. Please get it. Please get it. Please get it. Oh my gosh.
Dude,
oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's a 3.5, 4.
Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh gosh, look at the size of that one, dude. Oh.
I don't know how to. Yeah.
Hold this. Just push this on the little button twice. The little button. This is $2.99, sir. $3.02.
Oh, it's $3.13 for me, bro.
$2.99. This one's coming right out of the boat. There's another one swimming at the boat right there. See it?
this on the, oh yeah, I see him going away.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Or bedding, maybe?
Yeah, he's coming over here like a banshee, dude. They're both over here together now.
I think they're taking the same path.
I know, the bed's probably up there. They looked at this Ned, but they didn't bite it. Oh, he had it, dude. He had it in his mouth and I couldn't see. He's over here now. The other one's behind you somewhere. Right over there. I think that's him. Or is that a can? There's one over here behind you and one over here in front of us. But there's that one right there.
Nice. Go back to mama and grow. Go back to mama.